Have you ever wondered what unique traits or actions in older men truly captivate younger women? Today, we're diving into the rare qualities that make an older man irresistibly attractive. These aren't your everyday tips. We're talking about authentic actions and characteristics that only a select few possess. By the end of this video, you'll understand what sets these men apart and how you can incorporate these traits into your own life. Don't skip our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a vital insight that can elevate your attractiveness, refining your approach and appeal. 1. Intellectual curiosity and continuous learning. Intellectual curiosity isn't just for the academics or the young, it's a trait that can make you, as an older man, stand out in a crowd. When you're passionate about learning and discovering new things, it's not just knowledge you're gaining. You're also making yourself more attractive. Younger women often find this trait appealing because it shows depth, wisdom, and a zest for life that transcends age. So, why not let your curiosity lead the way? Dive into new topics, explore unknown territories, and never stop asking questions. This approach to life does more than fill your brain with facts. It makes you a more engaging companion. Whether it's a book club, a new language, or a cooking class, each new experience enriches your persona. When you share your discoveries and insights, you're not just passing on information, you're inviting someone into a conversation. These discussions can lead to deeper connections, as they're built on genuine interest and mutual learning. It's this exchange of ideas that can turn a casual chat into a meaningful interaction. Remember, your eagerness to learn and grow is a testament to your vitality and youthfulness, regardless of the number on your birth certificate. Embrace it, and watch how it draws people towards you, fostering relationships that are as enriching as the knowledge you seek. 2. Authentic vulnerability. Showing genuine vulnerability and emotional openness is a game changer in how others, especially younger women, perceive you. Gone are the days when the stoic, unfeeling man was the ideal. Today, strength is seen in the courage to show your true feelings and talk about your experiences, fears, and hopes. Think of vulnerability as your secret weapon. It doesn't mean you're weak, it means you're strong enough to be real. When you open up, you give permission for others to do the same, creating a deeper, more authentic connection. It's about striking the right balance, being open about your emotions without losing your sense of self-assurance. Here's a tip. Start small. Share a personal story, talk about a movie that moved you, or express your thoughts on something meaningful to you. It's not about bearing your soul on day one, but about showing that you're more than just surface level. This kind of openness can be incredibly attractive. It shows that you're comfortable in your own skin and confident enough to let your guard down. Women often find this depth and authenticity irresistible because it's rare and refreshing. So, toss out the old playbook that says men should hide their feelings. Embrace your vulnerabilities as strengths. By doing so, you'll not only feel more liberated, but also create stronger, more genuine connections with those around you. 3. Unconventional hobbies or skills. These unique interests can set you apart, showcasing your individuality and depth. Whether it's mastering the art of sushi making, being adept at restoring vintage motorcycles, or having a knack for astrophotography, each unique hobby you have adds a layer to your persona. It's these layers that pique curiosity and invite conversation, making you more than just another face in the crowd. So how do you leverage these hobbies and skills? First, embrace your passions with confidence. Your enthusiasm is contagious and can turn what might seem like a quirky pastime into a fascinating conversation starter. Next, find ways to share these interests. Perhaps host a workshop, or if you're a bit shy, share your projects on social media or in community groups. Sharing your hobby not only showcases your skills, but also opens up avenues for connections with like-minded individuals or those curious about your pursuits. It signals that you're someone who loves learning and isn't afraid to chart your own course. Your unconventional hobbies and skills are more than just pastimes. They're a testament to your zest for life and a magnet for those attracted to authenticity and adventure. Embrace and share your unique interests. They're a key part of what makes you, you. I hope you're finding the insights valuable so far. If so, how about a little support? A quick like, a comment, or a subscribe goes a long way. Thank you for being an essential part of this experience. 4. Mindful listening and communication. Mindful listening and effective communication are your keys to forming deeper connections, especially with younger women who value being heard and understood. It's about more than just waiting for your turn to speak. It's actively engaging with what the other person is saying, showing genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. To enhance your communication skills, focus first on listening. Really listen. This means hearing the words, understanding the emotions behind them, and responding in a way that shows you've comprehended both. It's surprising how this basic act can make someone feel valued and connected to you. When you're in a conversation, be present. Put away distractions like your phone or thoughts about your next meeting. Being fully in the moment tells the person you're with that they have your undivided attention, which is incredibly flattering and rare in today's fast-paced world. Ask questions that show you're engaged. Instead of generic queries like, "How was your day?" Try, "What was the highlight of your day?" Such questions encourage more detailed responses and show that you're interested in the nuances of their experiences. Lastly, remember that communication is a two-way street. Share your own experiences and thoughts, but balance this with listening. This give and take fosters a dynamic where both parties feel heard and appreciated, laying the groundwork for meaningful relationships built on mutual respect and understanding. 5. Confidence. Confidence is magnetic, especially in older men, but there's a thin line between being self-assured and appearing arrogant. The key is to find that sweet spot where your confidence shines, drawing people, particularly younger women, towards you without pushing them away with overconfidence. First off, understand that true confidence is rooted in self-awareness, not just a display of bravado. It's about knowing your strengths and weaknesses and being comfortable with them. This self-assuredness is inherently attractive because it's genuine. It doesn't need to be loudly announced. It simply is. Here are some strategies to maintain this balance. Focus on others during conversations instead of dominating them. Show interest in what they have to say and respond with empathy and understanding, not just with anecdotes of your achievements or opinions. Another tip is to embrace humility. Acknowledge others' contributions and successes, and don't be afraid to admit when you don't know something. This openness not only humanizes you, but also makes your genuine confidence more apparent. Lastly, be open to feedback. Confident individuals can take constructive criticism and use it to grow without feeling diminished. This adaptability shows that your confidence is not fragile but robust and dynamic. By cultivating a confident demeanor that is grounded, considerate, and responsive, you'll not only attract admiration, but also foster deeper, more meaningful connections. 6. Social and cultural awareness. Being informed and sensitive to social and cultural issues is not just about being politically correct. It's about showing that you're engaged with the world and care about the experiences of others. This awareness is attractive because it demonstrates empathy, intelligence, and respect, qualities that are appealing to anyone, particularly younger women who value social consciousness. Staying updated on current events and understanding different cultural perspectives isn't just about watching the news or reading articles. It's about engaging with diverse voices, listening to different stories, and being open to learning from them. This openness signals that you're a thoughtful individual who values the complexity of the world and the people in it. To cultivate this trait, try to broaden your horizons. Attend cultural events, engage with diverse groups, read widely, and don't shy away from conversations about challenging topics. When engaging in discussions, especially on sensitive issues, listen more than you speak. Show empathy and strive to understand different viewpoints, even if you don't always agree with them. Being culturally aware and socially sensitive isn't about showing off how informed you are. It's about demonstrating a genuine interest and respect for the world and its people. This approach not only enriches your own life, but also makes you more appealing to those who value depth, empathy, and global awareness. Now for that bonus tip. Embracing modern trends while staying true to your authentic self is a powerful way to remain relevant and attractive, especially to younger women. It's about finding a way to engage with contemporary culture without losing your essence or pretending to be someone you're not. Staying updated with current trends shows that you're adaptable and open to change, qualities that are attractive at any age, whether it's technology, fashion, music, or social issues. Showing an interest in the world as it evolves demonstrates vitality and curiosity. However, the real charm lies in integrating these trends into your life in a way that aligns with your personality and values. You don't need to adopt every new fad wholesale. Instead, pick what resonates with you and adapt it to your style. This approach shows younger women that you're not just trying to fit in, you're confident enough to take what the world offers and make it your own. For example, you might update your wardrobe with a few modern pieces that still reflect your style, or use social media to share your experiences and interests in a way that feels genuine to you. The key is to engage with modernity without losing the unique attributes that make you, you. This balance of relevance and authenticity is incredibly attractive. It shows that you're not stuck in the past, but are also not trying to be someone you're not. It's a testament to your ability to grow and adapt while remaining true to yourself. Now that you know what women love, what's next for you? Discover the signs she likes you, or learn the social skills that make younger women addicted to you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.